I may be allowed to move a breach of privilege against MLA Shri Elton D'Costa. Speaker sir, there has been recent occurrences wherein Shri Elton D'Costa has made serious allegations and objectionable references against our Honorable Speaker Shri Ramesh Tavadkar ji. Shri Elton has tried to move a resolution regarding political resolution for scheduled tribes in Goa, which has been already discussed and adopted.
Speaker
by
sir,
this
nothing
August.
stops,
Sir,
nothing stops us from moving a resolution. Speaker sir, nothing stops us from moving a resolution. Speaker sir, Speaker sir, आम्ही ऐकता,
by raking up
but
these issues
nothing
and making
stops us
allegations.
from moving a resolution.
Speaker sir, Honorable Speaker, the
हे किती ही झाली हुकुमशाही काय कोमेसू, दादागिरी कोमेसू. Speaker sir, Speaker sir, nothing stops us. No, Speaker sir, nothing stops us.
सभापतीचो अपमान जाल्लो
अरे सभापतीचो अपमान कशी झालो? Speaker sir, how is this a breach of privilege? How is this a breach of privilege? Speaker sir, how is this a breach of privilege? Breach. Speaker sir, no, Speaker sir, किती वाटते ना? Speaker sir, stops us from putting it again. Speaker sir, तुम कौन केलं पास कोण काय केलं? Speaker sir, पास कोण काय केलं? ना गेम बसले.
ना आमका तेणी माफी मागपाक जाय.
अरे स्पीकर सर ना कित्याक माफी मागतले? एसटी प्रश्न गेल मग माफी मागपाचे. स्पीकर सर, एसटी प्रश्न गेल मग माफी मागपाचे. ना स्पीकर सर, अरे दिस इज नॉट परमिटेड. How is this permitted?
Speaker sir,
because we have raised the ST issue.
सभागृहाचे कामकाज अर्धवरान स्थगित करता.